Greetings, how to buy Tether. Welcome, I am Emre, webmaster of cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you easiest way to buy Tether, how to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Tether. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can find 20% commission link and codes. This is our website cryptocurrencyusa.net. You can get all information about cryptocurrencies. How to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or Tether. So easy. Now, how to buy Tether. Firstly, we should go Tether page and click. On this page, we can get all information about Tether. So easy. Binance codes, videos. Now, how to get Tether. Just one click. Let's go.